How to use Pagefly on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with Pagefly on Shopify. So let's get into it. Now, Shopify is a great e-commerce building tool and it is probably one of the most widely used ones. There are quite a few reasons for this. Number one being its effectiveness and its ease of use. It really is built for e-commerce and selling merchandise or, selling services, and you can easily keep track of everything, and everything is so simple to do. Now, although this is a great platform to build your store, some people find that Shopify stores can all look a little similar. This is just a sample landing page type store that I've built, and you might wonder, hey, it's very basic, and sometimes you want a little bit more. If you want a little bit more flair on your Shopify store, then you should definitely check out Pagefly. Pagefly is a integration so Pagefly is a integration on Shopify that enables you to create amazing looking pages via their templates, plus they are available for free as well. They have a free plan which allows you to create one page for free, and if you want to create more than one page, then you can just pay as you go, and it starts at $24 a month where you have upwards of 10 pages that you can create. So well, let's get into it and let's start using Pagefly to build our Shopify store. So this is my store currently, and let's say I want to build a new page that is maybe like a sale page or a special offer page, something like that. So I'm going to go onto my Shopify dashboard and I'm just going to log on to my Shopify account. This is like the back end dashboard of your Shopify store. From here, you want to click on settings on the bottom left. Once you click on settings, just click on apps and sales channels. And once you click on apps and sales channels, you want to open up the Shopify App Store by clicking on Shopify App Store on the top right. Now, once you click on that, a new tab will open, and from here, you will search for Pagefly. So once you search for Pagefly, it's going to be like the first application that shows up. It's the Pagefly landing page builder, free to install. And you will just click on this. It's developed by Pagefly. Make sure you download this one. This is like the original application. So you want to click on add application. And now we will install Pagefly onto our Shopify store. So you guys can see now this is going to ask for permissions. We're going to install app and allow the permissions. And just like that, they have added my, Shopify store. Now, I had previously created a Pagefly account because I've previously used Pagefly, but you can easily just sign up via your email as well. Now, after that, you can click on pages on the top left of your screen. You can see this, and you can click on regular pages and see all the different templates that they have. They have quite a few templates, and you can even create sections if you don't want to, create entire new pages, but we want to create a new page via Pagefly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into pages and I'm going to click on regular pages. So I will click on create from a template on the right side of my screen. You have two options. You can create from a blank page as well, but that can be a little difficult. So I'm going to be creating from a template. So I'm going to click on create from a template. And now you can see on the left side, you have multiple different categories that you can choose from. Not only can you build like holiday pages, landing pages, home pages, and product pages, but you can also build those very standardized pages like about, contact, blog post, password, FAQ, and integration template. So let's say I want to build a FAQ and policy page. You can see they have a template for that as well. If I want to build a contact page, so they have amazing little, pages for that as well. They have collection pages, about pages. About pages can be really difficult to set up because you're not really sure what am I supposed to put in the about section. But we're gonna use one of these page templates to build our own about page for our Shopify store. Now, my Shopify store is going to sell something like lights, maybe LED lights or something like that. So I'm going to customize the template according to that. And I can pick out any template. You're just going to edit the content of the template. So it's Logan. This is for like a soap. This is Memento. This is more of a bakery type template. Yeah, so it's like a health and wellness type one. This is Scentic. This is a little too professional. I think I am going to just take a look. I think I'm going to go with the Atom template simply because it is super, nice and easy, and it looks really nice. So I'm just going to open this up and I'm going to click on select this template. Now you guys can see this is like their drag and drop editor, and from here you can edit all of the information. So for us, it's like electronics and light. So I'm going to change the first section. A little light everywhere, that's like the section I want. And then we have our CEO. So let's say if you want to add this section for a lot of e-commerce sites, it might not be applicable. So if it's not applicable to you, you're just going to select the entire section from the top of the section. Once you select it, you will see a section on the top left. It will, have this blue bar, and you can click on delete and delete that section. If you want to add more sections, you can click on the top left, and you can add any kind of content list, layout, slideshows, and you have Shopify elements that you can integrate, which might be your product prices, product lists. You also have third-party applications that you can integrate onto Pagefly as well. So it's really a all-encompassing platform. Now, after that, I have my product feature, and let's say I want to edit this and enter my own image. So I'm just going to, I just clicked on it and deleted it. And now you guys can see, and I'm just going to select it. Then I'm going to click on add element from the left side of my screen, and I'm just going to drag and drop an image. So add element, and I'm going to use image, and I'm going to drop the element over here. Now I can click on this, and then on the right side of my screen, I have the content where I want to source it from. So I will click on select images, and I will upload my own image. So this is like my product, and I'm just going to upload an image of that, click on select. And just like that, I have this. Now, after that, I have my product feature. So I'm going to click on that, and I can edit that like so, and I can select any of the text, and then I can edit it like so. And you can select like these image icons and enter your own ones as well. I'm going to add my second product feature over here like so, and then I can add my third feature like this. Now I can just delete the bottom text because I don't need it in the last section. I'm just going to delete that. Now, you guys can see this text is formatted brown, and I want to make it blue. So I can just click on the text, and you guys will be able to see in your styling section on the right side, you have your overall content. So you can change the color of the overall content instead of having to do it manually. You can just do that, and you can open up the color wheel from here. Say I want it to be blue, and I'm just going to add blue just like that. And instead of having to change the fonts manually, you can just select the font family in the styling section. Once you have customized the page, you're just going to click on save, name the page. So this is our about us section. And once you have named the page, you can just save it. We're just going to wait for the save to be completed. Now, once you have saved your page, you can go back into your Pagefly menu, and you have your page. So you want to make sure you publish your page. So for that, all you have to do is click on publish from the right side of your screen, and you're going to click on publish over here. And now this has been published. Now, once you find your page has been published and you can preview it from over here, you need to make sure you add it to your online store's menu, because if it's, even though the page is live currently, because it's not in my navigation menu, people might not be able to find it. So you're going to go into your online store from the left side of your Shopify dashboard, click on navigation over here, and then in your main menu, you're going to click on that, click on add menu item, and you're going to name it About Us, and then you're just going to copy and paste the URL of your About Us page like this, and then you're going to click on Add, and just like that, you're going to save your menu. And now let's take a look at our store. So this is our store. This is like the website that I created previously, and now I'm going to click on my About Us page, and now we have our cute little About Us page as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.